rainbow in the sky, all a pretty sight. Nature everywhere, nature everywhere. God has created nature everywhere,
Very good.
nature everywhere. The blooming of the flowers, the buzzing of the bees, green, green grass, and big strong trees. Nature everywhere, nature everywhere. God has created nature everywhere. Feel the fresh air when the wind blows, the poppies in the fields, the birds in the sky, the fish in the ocean. Let Mother Nature be. Nature everywhere, nature everywhere. God has created nature everywhere. A bright white moon, a twinkling stars, a shining sun in the sky so blue. Listen to God, listen to you. They do not talk, they do not shout. Their beauty is God. Nature is about. Nature everywhere, nature everywhere. God has created nature everywhere. Thank you.
अब बोलो here is a message. अब बोलो
So
conclusion.
here is some message to all our friends. When you conserve, you conserve life. So plant more trees, say no to plastics, conserve water and save energy. Thank you.
Excellent.
बेटा सो हेयर इज अ मैसेज फिर से बोलियो.
So here